rebar columns with rebar rings. Fix it in place with steel wire. Fix the mold. Fill the steel reinforcement cage with concrete to make a sturdy constructional column. The steel reinforcement cage of the beam and the steel reinforcement cage of the column must be connected when building each floor. Next, pour in the concrete to make a sturdy ring beam constructional column. Thus, the houses are sturdier and more earthquake resistant. Pick a roof you like. Then pick the color to paint the wall. Buildings with ring beam structural columns and buildings without ring beams. Small earthquake. Stay intact in a small earthquake. Medium earthquake. Repairable damages in medium earthquake.